We're back at Windy City Pie in Seattle. Hot and delicious pizzas come out of the kitchen, bringing that special Chicago deep dish style with unique and fantastic flavors. I sure hope you're hungry because you're not leaving this building unsatisfied.
You can tell immediately when you eat this, just like the attention to detail that they put into the various recipes and just the overall thoughtfulness.
Nice amount of sweet and spicy, the whole package.
I would much rather not make a pizza than make a bad one.
Owner David Lichterman uses his inspirations of Chicago deep pan and tavern-style pizzas to make his menu perfect, leaving guests satisfied and excited to come back.
People are like, we saw that you're in the area, and so we were looking for an apartment. We wanted to be near you, and it's just really,
that's awesome.
It's really heartwarming. At the end of the day, I just want to make food that people love, and hearing things like that just really makes me smile.
This really reminds me of Chicago.
It's both decadent and fresh.
Probably one of the better pizzas I've ever had in my life.
It's something that the Midwest has that not a lot of other places have.
We have a lot of people that are looking for a taste of home, but it's always been very important to me that our pizza be good in its own right. If you've never had deep dish, or you have no association with Chicago, this place should still be good.
Today, David and I are going to make the Windy City favorite, the Sweet Pete.
It's candied bacon, it's pineapple, which I know is divisive, but trust me.
Right.
It's our house ground sausage and hot giardiniera, and that's a pickled vegetable mixture that's traditional in Italy, adopted by the Midwest.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so unique than just...
Yeah, pizza's a great canvas.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah. It's the makings of hot giardiniera, and that's...
Hot giardiniera.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it means gardener in Italian,
Okay.
or, I don't speak Italian.
Are you a hot gardener?
I am not.
I am. No.
I rely on other people for the gardening. So this is basically a pickled vegetable mixture that traditional in Italy, kind of adopted by the Midwest, and particularly Chicago for hot Italian beef sandwiches, and it's great on pizza. Spice just really rounds out our pizza in a great way. People from the Midwest, from Chicago, get excited when they're like, who makes your hot giardiniera? I'm like, we do.
We start by dicing the veggies in a dicing machine.
Very efficient.
Yes.
I love that.
Next, the veggies sit in a salt brine overnight. Then we pour vinegar, chopped garlic, olive oil, and a spice mixture into the veggies and mix it all up.
This looks delicious, and what a gorgeous way to showcase Washington veggies.
Yeah. On our deep dish pizzas, we put it on after the pizza cooks. It brings a brightness to it.
Yeah.
The giardiniera is left to sit in the fridge for a couple of days. Then it's time to assemble the Sweet Pete pizza.
Sweet Pete sounds like something my mother would say. Like if I did something wrong, Sweet Pete.
Jiminy G. Willikers.
David preps the dough, then we add some cheese and pineapple.
So cheese first.
Yes, cheese first, and that gives a barrier between the dough and the toppings and the sauce. Keeps it from getting soggy.
We add sauce, then some house ground sausage and candied bacon. Then the pizza goes into the oven.
Holy cow.
There we are. The last thing that goes on is the hot giardiniera.
Okay.
You see little crispy bits on top. That's the candied bacon, and then crispy side. That's crispy cheese. It's one of the things that defines this style of deep dish pizza.
Oh,
there we
go.
are.
Oh,
All right, that's for you. Right?
Spicy,
Sweet.
creamy, some sweetness.
Right.
It's like a
Savory.
little everything.
Yeah, exactly.
And I really like the vegetables.
It brings a brightness to it, and it's not overpowering when it's combined with those other flavors.
It's not. I've never had Chicago style deep dish pie.
But yeah, this is the deep pan variety, which I think is it's the right level of a hefty meal.
It's not going to put you in a food coma.
Ideally. I mean, if you eat the whole thing, yes.
Then maybe.
Yes, then almost certainly.
Yeah, that was delicious.
To get recipes like this one, specialized for the home chef, visit wagrown.com.